What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host Jake. Today we're going to check out ZILLIQA because we've got some really exciting news around the Metapolis I wanted to share with you, and also a roadmap vision, sort of a bit of information I want to share at the same time. So the fact is, what we saw regarding the Metapolis is just the tip of the iceberg of what's going to happen in the long term with ZILLIQA. So we can see here tremendous work is underway as our development team builds utility focused elements of DeFi and play to earn that will actualize our vision around engagement and Web3 based e-commerce. So it's really cool what they've done. You can actually see here a few posts about their Metapolis event. So a real tangible thing, you've got lots of developers, people that are speculators, investors, and very excited about the project itself. And this is it. This is an exciting journey about the Metapolis. We can see this brilliantly done video gave insights into the platform's central vision of bridging the physical and virtual worlds together. So to say the least, this is really exciting stuff. A very big news for the Metapolis and ZILLIQA. You can see here's the event, and I'm totally stoked to be talking about this right now. So here's the vision. This is part of their roadmap that we can see, and I think it's very important to actually make sure you're aware of what's going on. As we can see, the roadmap, they are far away from reaching their ultimate vision, and there are various elements that are much closer than many to realization. So it's just DeFi, P2E, metaverse, and much more. So really, this is just a small fragment of what ZILLIQA has to offer. So let's check out ZILLIQA today. We can see we rank 68, $1.8 billion market cap, guys, with a big trading volume of $1 billion. So we got a bit of a bounce here on our daily time frame. We've kind of had a bit of a falling wedge, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but it's still looking pretty good. April is still looking very promising. Q2, we are actually down now for this particular I suppose quarter. However, April is down 25% as well for the individual month, but you zoom out and you see we're still up massively from March's explosive pump. So it looks really good still. And what sort of happened here from our explosion from $0.047 is that now we're in this falling wedge, which is typically a bullish reversal pattern, and you can see here the highs are converging together with the supports here, and we're getting a bit of a breakout. We've broken out. We haven't retested the support just yet, but if we do actually break to the upside here, we're probably going to see a good pump up to around, let's just take this depth of the falling wedge, we should come to around $0.172 here for ZILLIQA, and I think that's quite exciting. If we do put through this reversal pattern, we should hopefully be retesting the $0.25 all-time high at some point soon. If we go into the hourly time frame as well and just look at what's going on here, we have lost this support level once again at $0.135, so we're sort of capitulating, but the whole entire market is kind of being pulled back by Bitcoin at the moment, so it's not too surprising. I think this is still quite a good level of dollar cost average. If we use our RSI as a metric here, you can see every time we come down to about 28 to 30 on the relative strength index, usually we get a nice impulse following. Happened over here at 0.035, we come back up. Happened over here as well, over at 0.036, we come back up, and you can see it many times where we're just falling very short on the RSI, but we're getting a nice recovery and a quick bounce to the upside afterwards. I think another bullish thing to consider here is where we've found the support. If we take our fib retracement, it's just at that 0.786 Fibonacci, just below the golden pocket. So we have the falling wedge, and I think it's very likely that we will get a bounce to the upside here. If we can put through another higher high and a higher low, I think the trajectory is going to be onwards and upwards from here for ZILLIQA. Very bullish on this particular project, especially with the Metapolis. The Metapolis tying into Web3, play to earn, metaverse, and all these other really bullish factors. This is exactly what we want to be hearing for ZILLIQA. So if you're new here as well, guys, make sure you hop into the Discord channel down below. Also, if you want to buy ZILLIQA today, you can do that by following the link in the description, and make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed the anti-sensational style video. Hope to see you soon. Share love, guys, and give the channel a subscribe. See you guys.